Japanese New Year's Day greeting myth. 気をつけて Be careful! チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。Please subscribe to this channel for more lesson videos. 良いお年を。良いお年を。Please have a great new year. 良いお年を。明けましておめでとうございます。明けましておめでとうございます。Happy New Year! 明けましておめでとうございます。In English, you can say Happy New Year in late December. This Japanese greeting, 明けましておめでとうございます would be translated as Happy New Year, but you cannot say 明けましておめでとうございます until New Year's Day. We say 良いお年を until December 30th. Technically, we cannot say 良いお年を on New Year's Eve, but still, you cannot say 良いお年を on that day. This greeting, 良いお年を means please have a good year, which is wishing you a great new year. 今日のレッスンはここまでです。That's all for today's lesson. I might post one more video this year, but in case this one is the last one of the year. 今年もお世話になりました。Thank you for all your support this year. 来年もどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。Let's have another great year! では、次の動画でまたお会いしましょう。See you again in the next video! Bye! またね。Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video! Bye! またねー